Hello everyone! This is the episode where, as promised, I will show you how to install and uninstall the OpenCutList plugin and why we need it. Firstly, let's see how to install this plugin and then I'll reveal how important it is. From my point of view, for our project to materialize and become a real and useful object, it is essential to install it. First, we need to go to the Window menu and select Extension Warehouse. Here you'll find plugins that will add extremely valuable tools to the SketchUp program, in addition to the basic ones that come with the installation. Some extensions are free, while others can be purchased online. The good news is that OpenCutlist is a plugin that SketchUp developers have made available to all users for free for some time now. We enter the name of the extension in the search bar, and we found what we are looking for. Under each extension, you will find a brief description of it, and if it is not free, instead of free, you will find the purchase form. We click on it and now we will find many more details about it and some images with its interface. Now we select Install, and we are warned that this extension will have access to our system data. Since it is an extension with a trusted source, we will select Yes, we receive the message that the extension has been successfully installed, and now we will see a new menu of this extension. As we will do with all newly installed tools, we drag the dotted part of the icon and move the tools where we want them. Let's see what this wonderful plugin can do. I will open one of my larger projects because I want you to see all the applications of the extension. Although it may seem like a complicated tool at first, in the following tutorials I will guide you step by step to export a perfect list with all the necessary materials, such as plywood boards with their dimensions, hardware, appliances, and how to evaluate the final cost of the product we want to build. For such a level of accuracy in the list, I will show you secrets that you will not see from any YouTuber. Let's take this kitchen that I designed as an example. I click on the OpenCutList plugin icon, go to Parts, select Generate, and this is how useful this plugin is. Here we have a summary of all types of components, namely the number of fronts, the number of pieces of the countertop, the number of pieces of MDF for the back of the cabinets, the pieces of plywood according to the products available on the market, each type of edge banding with the total linear length, the hardware elements, and also the appliances. Imagine what it would mean to write down all this data on paper or in an Excel spreadsheet. It would probably take you a week and the calculations would still not be correct. Moving on, we can see all the elements in cascade down to the smallest detail. For materials that come in sheets, such as plywood or MDF, we can generate optimized cutting diagrams to minimize material waste. I want to emphasize that this channel is not sponsored by any company, so any products that may appear are strictly for example purposes. So, whether you're cutting the pieces at home by yourself or ordering from a specialized company, this plugin will be extremely useful. You can even print labels for each component to aid in assembly. Although I don't see any reason to uninstall this extension, I will show you how to do it. I will also present this aspect because most likely in the future you will install a multitude of extensions like me, some paid and some free, and it's possible that they may affect the program's response speed. When this happens, you will certainly want to uninstall the extensions that you rarely or never use. So now we enter the extension manager from the window menu, go to Manage, and select Uninstall next to the extension that we want to get rid of. I won't go all the way with uninstalling OpenCutList because it is an indispensable tool when we want to make furniture for our home. I hope that from this episode you have understood the potential of this software, which, combined with some practical knowledge, will allow you to turn your dreams into reality while making considerable savings. And once again, the DIY Workshop channel administrator thanks you for watching, and if you like the tutorial, invites you to subscribe to the channel for free to be notified of the release of a new tutorial, to give a like, or to share the tutorials with other friends passionate about such projects. Only in this way can the channel thrive and continue to generate extremely useful content. Goodbye.